in Assam. I believe there's hardly a hall here in Laos. So there is a big opportunity here. Cinema halls in India had gone through a very bad shape. Like in Assam, we had 250 cinema halls 4 years back. It all closed down because of insurgency and other things, but mostly because of the piracy. Now the technology has come where the first day, first show, even in a village you can show the program. In India we have a company called UFO, I'm involved with them, where we distribute the movie content on day one to 350 cinema halls overnight. Sorry, 3,500 cinema halls in India. So this is a technology available with us, and this can revive the entire Laos industry, the local cinema halls, all over the villages, towns, because that is the cheapest form of entertainment. So if people are involved with this thing, so this is a very big opportunity. If somebody is interested, please, I would like to share my experience with that. The content of delivering of local content, and of course, even Thai movies can be also loaded there and distributed all over. So I'll not take much of the time, but this is something which I have wanted to share because I hardly see any cinema halls. Whereas in a small city like in Guwahati also, we have 15-20 cinema halls. So this is something we want to do. Sangeeta Communication, very interesting project that we are doing. I just want to share that. We were running the call center for Airtel in Northeast, having 150 call center. Now at the moment, we are doing a service called 104. Anybody in Assam can call 104 toll free and speak to a doctor 24 hours. And just share, immediately ask what is the immediate problem, or especially the ladies, they want to talk to, from a village, she wants to talk to a doctor regarding her personal problems. So this is something which is possible, which the Laos, I don't know if it is available here, but this is a very good service. We are getting around 30,000 calls a day, where people from all over Assam, they contact a doctor and the prescription is given through SMS. So this is a technology which is available here. If the government is interested, we can share our service. Thank you. Next. Northeast Green Tech, we are recycling the garbage of our Guwahati city into compost and making value, and also going for value-added biofertilizer. Laos being an agriculture country, we like to help you in whichever way possible. Our biofertilizer, organic production is certified by the international community also, the organization who certify those. We can set up a biofertilizer laboratory here and promote organic farming here in whichever you want. And also in small towns, if the garbage is not taken care now itself, there will be problems. So it is, you also help you in recycling those garbage. That is something which we can offer you here. Thank you. In Northeast Renewable Energy, we represent a company called Tata BP Solar. Now it's called Tata Power. Tata is the #1 company in India. They produce solar photovoltaic products, which is common. We have electrified more than 350 villages in Assam, totally on solar energy. You must be having a lot of villages on top of a hill or near the rivers which gets flooded. So there, getting transmission line becomes impractical. So putting a small solar power plant there is available, this technology. We have been given the responsibility not only to install, we have to maintain those systems for 5 years. So we have been doing that. That's expertise we have. We'd like to share that if there's any opportunity. Next. Lifeline Clean Technology, we are putting up a 5 megawatt solar power plant in Assam. And also what we are doing is the environment solution. We have come out with a machine to destroy the garbage. The best part of that machine is that we do not use any form of electricity, coal or anything. It is through magnet. The entire garbage, once it's inclined, it destroys by itself without using any sort of energy from outside. And this can be put in a, if you have a multi-store, it's from small machines, it can destroy around 2 tons to 5 tons. So it can be installed anywhere, or in small villages or small towns to start with, or if you have an apartment building, we don't want the garbage to go into the city. There itself we should destroy it. And the, whatever the residual comes out, this is good for the ceramic tile industry. Thank you. Next. This, of course, my wife looks after more than me. We are into television programs and other things. We make films also. Here, I'd just like to, an invitation from our side, the local film industry. If you have a local film, I would like to call the local film industry, the actors, actresses, directors to Assam. We can have a film festival of Laos local film industry, and similarly, we would also like to bring our actor, actresses and have a film festival of the Assamese films. We have got good quality Assamese films which have got national awards. So this is something which we can do. Abhibai, if you can take some interest on that. Right. I think here, yeah, I don't think I should take much of your time. Everybody is hungry. I was told that 12 o'clock everybody goes out for lunch. So I'll not take much of your time. But my contact is there or in the delegation. Thank you so much once again for this wonderful meeting, and thank you for your patience. Thank you.